Don't wake up the children. So we will start things down here. Because it's, 6:30, maybe, 6:15. So I'm headed to Starbucks to meet an old friend, catch up on things. He works during the day, so we're going at 6:30. What I'm confused about is why did my wife put out the garbage on a Thursday, and that's the third person I've seen with garbage out on a Thursday. It comes on Friday. So I'm hoping I can still get out of this road here, because I know the one's closed, so we're going to take the second one, but I don't know what day it closed. This one still has a detour. I'm still not sure how they keep this sign from spinning. Like, how do they keep this mailbox from spinning? Does it just not have an actual chain? It must just have a piece of metal that it's hanging from. Okay, this road is designated as the detour, so they must not be working on this one until the other one is done. I don't have anybody behind me, so let's take a look. You can see they have the trail already poured. Huh, nice. Interesting that they went with cement. I think for that long of a stretch they would do blacktop. Not a super lot of traffic this time of day, eh? Now that's how you know you're in Iowa. Right in the middle of town, there's hay bales. Hay bales and a windmill. And solar panels. And a cornfield over there. Everybody and their brother is going to Starbucks right now. This car, that car, this car, that car, this car, that car. 1, 2, 3, 4. Park her right here. Shouldn't be able to hit me here, right? Hopefully. Okay, did I make it on time? Aw, 6 minutes. My wife said I was going to be late. I'm 6 minutes early. That's right. Look at that shot. It's a beautiful morning. Yep. Don't think he's here yet. You're welcome. How did that happen? I'm guessing I can't go this way. No, I can't. So I'm gonna go this way. Oh, that was great. Catching up with an old friend, getting to know what's going on, seeing what's changed. Oh, wish I did that more. I would love to do that more. I just need to get a list of people and just message them and just get it done. You just get so busy, and you forget, and you think you're bothering them, or you think that they're too busy for you. Everybody thinks that about everyone else, and then I feel like it's just a bad culture we live in, that we do that. So I'm gonna get gas, because I feel like when my light comes on, it's always pretty accurate to, we're at 4 gallons at that point. I mean, 4 gallons to fill, so that means there's a gallon left, but
that's the sound of the police.
Oh, sheriff. Sheriff. Howdy, sheriff. So yeah, we're at 2 bars. My light's not even on, but it still costs $20. What I need to do though is I need to turn on my sound, you know, just in case I get a text message, I can hear it while I'm riding. That was sarcasm. I've had coffee, so I apologize for the rest of this video. So now I'm headed back home. Then I'm going to take my car to get a new window put in it because, you know, someone broke it. And then I will go to work.
That's the sound of the police.
Oh, hello, sir. Oh, look at that. They got like a nice on-ramp onto that thing. I never thought about that. You'd need a nice little on-ramp to get on if you were just coming off this sidewalk. I can't wait to go on that. We'll have to make that into a video. That's another thing I think would be really nice about a 360 camera, is to have one for the bicycle. Then we could do bicycle rides on the GoPro 360. I feel like I should get a GoPro 360 instead of an Insta. Is it Insta 360? I don't know. I'll have to do some research, but I felt like the GoPro would be the better choice. I am not stopping. You can't make me. We're gonna pull off another I don't need to get off the bike situation. Think we can do it? It's so great now that you have pay with my watch. So we'll take this off. I'm just gonna set it right here. Never done that before, so I hope that's not a problem. I'm gonna say that I'm an existing member. And I'm gonna enter my phone number. And then I'm going to tap to pay. Make sure I don't use my work card. Probably wouldn't appreciate that very much. Would I like a receipt? Nah, I don't need one. Okay, $4.69 a gallon. I'll take that. I'm supposed to remove the nozzle first, and then select your fuel. You know, I should probably open my visor. I can see better now. Weird. Right up to the tippy top, and I didn't spill. $17 for 3.7 gallons. I am not stopping because it's a parking lot. Who does that? I will if there's a car coming, and that's not considered a car. Just kidding. Why? Why isn't there any traffic? I'm so confused. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 70 degrees. 72 already. That sun must be hot because I can feel it through my dark visor. I just tried shifting without the clutch. It worked, but...
That's the sound of the police.
That was the highway patrol, by the way. Undercover. Headed to Panera with his buddies. Oh, we got some runners. Man, look at all these trees they took out. All of these houses right here, their trees are gone. Hi, puppies. All right, here we go again for the third time leaving my house. I got the Suburban to the body shop to get the window put back in. Not back in, a new window. Probably a used window from a junkyard. I'm gonna go check on the construction up here. Looks like they're framing it up. Oh, looks like it's gonna be a little higher. That's interesting. I was gonna die for you. I my whole life for you. So where we recorded all of my intro video, right there in front of the building. Okay, I'm trying to decide if I should park at Smoky Row or if I should park at where I'm going to lunch after Smoky Row. So let's see if I can find a close parking spot and not a dangerous one out in the middle of the parking. Oh, our pastor's here. Yep, there's not one up close here. I want one up close. So what I'm gonna do, I think, is I'm gonna park over here at the restaurant that I'm going to and walk back over. See if I can find a spot over here. Oh yeah, right next to the Porsche. I think that's a Porsche. Actually, I'm not gonna park next to the Porsche. I'm gonna go up one, unless this person takes it. I think there's one right here. Yes, there is. I'm gonna park right here. I don't know if my buddies will park next to me later. you know, I don't really want to be on that. I want to be there.
Hey, what are you doing here? You don't show up here very often.
I'm just early to lunch, so I'm gonna hang out.
There you go. I always forget when I'm wearing like sticky pocket shorts. I was on my way here. I'm like, everything is gonna fall out. You wouldn't know. You never wear shorts.
I do when I'm not riding my motorcycle. I wore it Tuesday night softball. So my GoPro battery must be dying, so we'll see if we make it. Earlier I turned it on, it said it had 30% and then it shut off. I do use it every day, multiple times, and recharge it, so... And I do have another one somewhere. I think it's in my bag. What is this? Is it a Corvette? It looks like a Corvette. Oh yeah, it's a classic. It's a classic Corvette. Usually they're red and white, but that's teal and white. Ow! That hurt, dude! That hurt bad. Oh. Wasn't sitting up all the way. Totally jammed the neck muscle. Totally. It's one of those, it's another one of those, what's it called? You know, where the heat does the thingy? The heat does the thingy? The heat does the thingy. It's called a, I can't ever think what it's called. I want to say warp, bulge, bump, buckle. It's called a buckle. Oh, ape hangers, baby, ape hangers. You know what I didn't have today? Iced coffee from work. Well, I need to get over eventually. So I'll just, you know, go down 5 blocks and turn. I don't think I can make it all the way into the garage, but I'm gonna try. Ah! I had to stop. Bonked my head if I didn't. I can't believe the fan's not running. I don't know if you're a computer person, but the MacBook Pro came out, you know, recently with the M1 and the M2 and the M Pro Max and the M Pro whatever. I have the 16-inch MacBook Pro M1 Max. Anyways, they say the fan never comes on, right? Because it's like so efficient. Oh, I got it to come on today. Don't you worry about that. Hi.
What were you saying?
I was saying that I have this son and he likes to carry things and he probably will be walking out right now carrying something.
No.
No, I didn't. It's not true.
What were you talking about?
That my laptop fan and my motorcycle fan.
Oh.
What were you talking about?
I was riding my skateboard at the skate park and then I fell.
Ooh. Did you get back up on and get right on it?
No, the wheel's wobbling now, so we need to tighten it.
You broke it?
No, you just need
You broke
to tighten
it?
it. No.
You broke it?
No.
You broke it?
No. We just need to tighten it.
Okay.
It's super easy, and I can ask Grant how to do it.
We have to leave in 1 minute.
Okay.
Padre.
Okay, meat, rice,
The oven's on.
tomatoes, got it. Oops.
Do we have 5 children?
And the stove was on too. Good thing you said that.